With the Master Brush Cleaner and Preserver, not only does it really clean your brushes perfectly, but it also conditions and nourishes the bristles, making them last longer. Now, when it comes to the Master Brush Cleaner and Conditioner, it can work on a bunch of different paint brushes out there. Everything from oil and acrylic to watercolor and gouache, can even work on cosmetic and body latex paint brushes. It works on a lot of different things, so it's fantastic. Depending on the type of artist you are out there, pretty much it's got you covered. Now, when you buy the product, it comes in two different containers. It comes in a smaller hockey puck design and a big tub like you see here. Now, it's the same product on the inside. The hockey puck, in my opinion, is made for smaller brushes or a travel size, if you will, which is fantastic. But if you plan on doing a lot of art from your studio or home, I would probably say just go with the bigger tub. This thing lasts a long time. All you got to do to use it is open up the tub, and it's got this huge little soap thingy in the middle, which is the actual cleaner and preserver. And you want to take your paintbrush, get it wet with water, make sure it gets a lot on here, and dip it into your bucket and work in a nice lather. You'll start to see it suds up and get all up in the bristles. If your brush is really, really dirty, I would recommend wear a rubber glove and take your fingertips and work it into the bristles so it gets it all there. Let it sit for a minute or two so that way it eats away at all the pigment and oils and mediums that it's on your paintbrush. And then just rinse it off under some water and you will see everything come away. Don't take off all the preserver. You want to leave a little bit on there so that way it works perfectly till the next time you use it. Now, the biggest question you probably have out there, is it okay to use water on natural bristle brushes? And it is, provided you use a product like this that's going to condition and nourish. You want to treat your brush like the hair on your head. When you shampoo, you want to use condition to nourish all of the hair so that way it lasts long and has the bristles or hair stay nourished and conditioned so that way it can last the long haul. If you use just water, yeah, it's going to make your brush and bristles brittle and break off, and your brush isn't going to last long, which is why you need to use a product like this if you're going to use water. I would still recommend this product if you plan on using synthetic brushes, because even though those can hold up better in water, it's still going to keep them cleaner and preserve the bristles, making them last longer overall. The Master Brush Cleaner and Preserver is probably perhaps my favorite cleaner out there on the market. It's simple, it's easy to use, and just wiping in the tub, it's fantastic. Hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, I'm so glad. Thank you for watching, and take care.